Ate?
Done. I have the veggies. I'm not yet done. I just got this. Mom, you can put this like on go. Hi guys! So we're gonna have dinner at Food Park. Big C. Food Park. So what is your favorite? Pork. Yummy pork. Yummy pork. We have this banana, grilled banana with something. And this is for Faye. It's the same as ate. But it's more different. Different? Yeah. Let's dig in. This one ate don't have. Okay, let's dig in. He doesn't dig in. He doesn't have anything. Sorry. We have banana. Banana milkshake. Let's eat. This is my favorite thing to eat. How is it, Ate? Make a review out of it. Good. The pork is so
Is it soft?
I don't know. It's yummy. Very sweet. Super soft. Super soft. Super soft. Super soft. Super. Super duper. Wow. It's okay for you.
Bao. How's the banana, mommy? A little bit hard today?
Super blue.
Dear Hand Dragon.
What? We're almost finished. Okay, it's ready. Let's go.
Panalong panalo ah.
Panalo ang Big C ko. Love it. Love it.
A lot of bite.
I'm not singing that.
Try it. Yum, yum, yum.
I love eggy bite. Eggy bite. I can be eating a camera.
Almost finished. But the veggies still there. Pepe's half of the food.
I'm almost done, you so die.
Have you ever tried it? Guys, have you ever tried the pork? So good.
How do they call that here in Thailand?
I don't know.
Yeah. Pork. It's you can read it there. How do they call it?
Ate?
Done. And here's the veggies.
I'm not yet done. I just got the.
Mom, you can put the vegetables on.
I'm done. So cool. Eating KFC in that room. And then evening. Ow, 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 ow. In the morning, what did we eat again? In the morning?
Barbecue. All day meat.
All day. Nano. Green light and
Breakfast we had barbecue. Lunch
Green
we
light.
had
KFC.
And dinner we have
Pork.
pork meat. All day meat. Oh my gosh. So tomorrow.
And all my favorite feet.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow
Only
all day
veggie.
veggies. And we'll cook pumpkin.
I'm having a hard time eating veggies, guys. I don't eat veggies that much. So I don't like it. But I have carrots. And lobby. Mungo
Like
too.
Tommy, so we will find out. Ano pa?
I love mungo too.
Munggo.
What's my favorite vegetables? The little beans. Called mungo. Mungo. So good. Try it.